Hi, this is Hadas from Canva, and I'd like to introduce the Draft a Doc. This is another feature under Canva AI, and it creates a digital document for you using just a prompt. So let me show you an example. I'm going to head over here, and I'm going to ask for a blog about recycling denim. Let's say a topic close to my heart. I'm going to click on Draft a Doc, and then I choose the type of the doc. It could be a summary, it could be a blog, it could be an article, a pitch. You choose your type, and once you click on that, you just hit the arrow. And then I'll show you what you're going to get. You can, of course, add an image, just like any other option we have in Canva AI. Canva is thinking, and then I'm going to get the doc. Of course, I can edit it and change it. I will pick the one I like most. This is the one. I can ask for changes. And it means that I can edit everything. I can add charts and tables and photos and add links to it. I'm going to click on it so you can see it. Recycling denim, the environmental impact of denim, and I have all of this information, and that is what it does. Let's go ahead to the next video. Bye.